selling your business, you absolutely need to have representation. You need someone that understands the industry, that you are in, and you need somebody that this is all they do. Because what happens is, like I said before, if you just leave $1,000 a month alone, just $1,000 a month alone in rent on the table, like you just, you accept 10,000 when you should have had 11,000, for example, that's $100,000 over a 10-year time. That money right there alone would have paid your consulting fee in most cases. So it's really foolish. There's really not a fee. You're really not paying anything. We're going to find you money and we're going to get you more money. We're going to help you realize a much better negotiated lease. We're going to help you with your tax allocations, assuming, and on that, we should talk about the taxes for a minute. We're going to help you understand the taxes and all the moving parts of that. And I want to preface this. We are not CPAs, but we do enough of this that we understand all the moving parts. And then we can give that information to you to take to your accountant to come up with good estimates and have discussions pre-gaming, so that we're all on the same page to ultimately land you the best net dollars. And these are things, quite honestly, that are so many moving parts. You can't possibly get in front of this if this is not something you do all the time. We've done, now well over 130 transactions, as a company, and that's a lot. And through all of those, we've worked with a lot of different professionals. We've got a tax consultant that's on our team that helps clients, especially shop owners that are a C corporation, which selling your business, a C corporation, is the kiss of death, that we can help those people with the selling process and help them a much better net return than what they would get on their own. So honestly, I don't think it's as a fee. It is us helping you, and it's making you money, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? There is no fee. It's making you money. It's more of having someone help you through the process. I hate to use the term, a best friend holding your hand through the process, but that's really what we are. We tell you what's the page that's happening, what's going to happen. It's kind of like having a book read to you and you knowing what the page is before it actually turns, if that makes sense.